More news coming in. Bengal rape survivor's friend produced in court. That's the story at this hour. Male friend of... In fact, the survivor has been arrested and taken to court. A classmate of the victim in the MBBS course has been held. Accompanied victim to the forest area has now been accused of molesting her. We're having some information on the Bengal rape survivor's friend, who's now been seen as the main accused here being produced in court. Remember, charges of gang rape have now been dropped by the police investigating the matter, saying that this on the basis of the statement that the victim has given. The male friend has now been produced in court of the victim of the survivor. This in the state of Bengal, and we're reporting on this from Durgapur, where the main accused here involved allegedly in the rape and the molestation of a young woman has now been arrested and of course is being produced in court. The man on your screen is now produced in court, accompanied the survivor to the forest. I'm going to go straight across to Tapas Sengupta, tracking that very closely. Tapas, in fact, he is the main accused now, and also to tell our viewers that the gang rape charges here have now been dropped.
Well, yes, Neha, police have confirmed that it wasn't a gang rape. There was only one person who have sexually violated the victim girl. But overall, 5 persons were arrested in the first place. And yesterday, late in the evening, the 6th person, who happens to be the friend of the victim girl who accompanied her outside the institute, was also under scanner. The police had categorically stated that his involvement is also under scanner. What we have been given to understand, there have been several ambiguity as far as his statement is concerned. So in that case, he was questioned on multiple occasions based on the alibi of other 5 accused who were arrested earlier. But there seems to be that he has been changing his statements every now and then. And having suspicion on his involvement, he has finally been arrested. His clothes have already been sent for forensic tests. There are multiple test reports which are pending with police. But as of now, police have not confirmed because the tests are pending that exactly out of 6, who was the main predator who violated the victim sexually is something is yet to be ascertained. Police is saying that it's an ongoing investigation.
That's right, Tapas, getting in those details at this point in time as far as producing the accused here in court as per protocol, as per procedure here is concerned in connection with the Durgapur rape case.